In this tutorial we will see how the limits of visibility work. When I create new activities on the app, BookyWay allows me to quickly schedule a whole series of activities, for example, every Tuesday, from now until the end of the year. If we look here on the right, we find this feature called Visibility Limits, and it's set by default to 60 days. This means that the user, from his app, will see only the next 60 days of programming. We can extend this visibility up to 120 days, so that the customer sees only the next 4 months on the calendar. But you can also reduce it to a minimum of 1 day, to show the customer only the next day's schedule. Let's take the example of setting it to 7 days to understand what happens. We go to the calendar and pretend today is Monday, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. This means that the customer on the app will see all these activities up to this one, which starts by 10 a.m. This afternoon, when the 3 o'clock arrives, he will start to see this activity too. When it comes the next day, Tuesday, we'll see these activities and so on.